Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This video will discuss about meat quality and issue, and we will focus on heat rigor. So, this is the person in charge to conduct this experiment. As the introduction, heat rigor is the onset of rigor mortis in a muscle at a high temperature. Maximum loss of extensibility or completion of rigor is reached between 10 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius. Generally, rigor mortis is a slow process and takes some time for the maximum loss of extensibility to be reached. However, maintaining higher temperature storage will speed up the rate of rigor mortis.
The objective of this experiment first is to describe and explain the biochemical and physical changes occur during heat rigor. Second, calculate the weight loss of the carcass during heat rigor development. Third, determine the optimum temperature for the chicken carcass to obtain the total heat rigor temperature. Color analysis was determined using calorimeter and the result is triplicate. pH meter was used to determine the pH. The sample was weighed for about 1 gram for determination of pH value. During water holding capacity, 5 kg was used. After that, the sample was weighed. For shear force analysis, profile analyzer was used. Water bath was used as a medium to give the chicken heat and undergo rigor. The sample was inserted into water bath for 3 hours at 35 degrees Celsius and repeated for 45 degrees Celsius. After 3 hours, the sample was repeat the same analysis.
The result of this experiment include the result from pH, color, water holding capacity and shear force analysis. This is the result table of pH analysis. Pattern of the result shows the pH value decrease as the temperature increase. This is the result table of color analysis. This is the result table of water holding capacity analysis. This is the formula that we use in order to calculate the water holding capacity. The pattern of the result show that the water holding capacity decrease as the temperature increase. This is the result table of shear force analysis. The pattern of the result show that the shear force will show decreasing pattern as the temperature increase.
A faster than normal pH decline combined with a higher than normal pre-rigor chilling temperature can have significant effect on glycolysis, postmortem muscle protein, and as a result, meat quality features. However, the rapid pH drop at higher temperature will have a detrimental effect on myoglobin redox stability, resulting in lower color stability of meat during display. After 2 hours, the sample carcass at 45 degrees Celsius of water bath have higher lightness value than other sample, which indicate the sample is more paler. Besides, the rapid pH decline in high temperature has resulted in rapid glycolysis of carcass muscles and caused the decrease in the redness value in the chicken carcass. The yellowness is lower for the sample at 45 degrees Celsius than the control and other sample. As temperature increase, the yellowness of the carcass decrease prior the heat condition. During high temperature, the pH of the chicken meat is declined, which resulting lactic acid accumulation. The rate and extent of postmortem pH decrease varies greatly between muscle and carcass and have a significant impact on water holding capacity because they are both related to energy consumption, postmortem muscle pH fall, and rigor development and inextricably intertwined. Shear force value is well known to indicate the toughness of chicken meat. The shear force value of the chicken meat after heat rigor is declined when the water bath temperature is increased. The pH of meat was reduced with increased temperature during 2 hours of heat exposure in the current investigation, indicating reduced carbon activity. It also showed that collapse of the sarcomere structure caused decrease of shear force in chicken meat. Therefore, higher temperature water bath may cause a change in a meat structure. In conclusion, during heat rigor, some biochemical and physical change were observed within the pH, color, water holding capacity, and shear force. Higher temperature has given the rapid pH that influenced the effect of myoglobin redox stability. Next, the color properties of the carcass has influenced by the rapid pH declining and decreased the color stability. Moreover, the average for the water holding capacity of sample at 45 degrees Celsius is lower than other sample due to the high cooking loss. High temperature has affect the sarcoplasmic structure in the carcass and cause decrease in shear force result. As temperature increase, the chicken carcass is decreased in weight due to the weight loss in high heat condition. Last but not least, the optimum temperature for the chicken carcass to obtain the total heat rigor temperature is 45 degrees Celsius. Some of the quality solutions that can prevent the heat rigor condition are electrical stimulation, mechanical tenderization and enzyme intervention.